I've got 2 million invested in Marathon Holdings alone.
Listen, I invested $150,000 into Marathon Holdings, and this is episode 3. Today, I've brought my mentor along, because if you guys don't believe me, don't believe my market updates, what to do with Marathon Holdings, I've got a multi-millionaire on board to answer some of your questions.
I've got 2 million invested in Marathon Holdings alone.
Comment what my average is. I bought last week and I'm gonna buy again this week. But for the people watching, what's going on with Marathon Holdings? And is it still gonna 10x?
Let me take the scene. Right guys, check this out. Bitcoin is the future, you know that. Whether you buy Mara or you buy MicroStrategy, it's the same. Now you got the Bitcoin play. Then you've got the AI play. MicroStrategy cannot do the AI play, but Mara can. AI, it's going to be the future. Everybody, any institutions behind me is going to need its data stored somewhere. Now you can go for Mara, you can go for any of these Bitcoin miners, but all of these Bitcoin miners are going for the big like data center hosting. So they're a company like AMD or Google, they're kind of cracking a deal with them and saying, hey, we're gonna rent this space from you. That's peanut money, right? It doesn't give you any control. You're not one out of one stock. Mara is doing the sovereign AI, so you become a one out of one stock. So now you have an advantage over the market. But the AI gig hasn't happened yet because there's still the Exxon deal.
That's closed now.
It's approved. Europeans are very difficult to deal with, but it's approved. Just we're waiting for the actual company announcement. But the future is bright for Bitcoin and AI. And if you believe in those two sectors, what stocks are you gonna buy? You're gonna go to Bitcoin miners. I like stocks that have a lot of money, right? The balance sheet has to be good. Now Mara has a balance sheet that is I think 5 billion, and it moves with Bitcoin price. So that's one of the main reasons I'm attracted to it. Yes, it has convertible debt. Tell me what other stock doesn't. Convertible debt, look at MicroStrategy, 50 billion convertible debt, 50 billion. And when you get to that level where you have to pay the debt, you just kind of take on another convertible debt. Mara doesn't have a lot of convertible debt, right? It has half of the balance sheet convertible debt, which is basically normal for any publicly listed company.
So what are you going to take it up to? So the people also, we can't say this is not financial advice, blah blah blah. I've bought more on this dip. This is not financial advice.
This is not financial advice. Actually, here's the thing. Do not buy any stock we call out on YouTube if you're going to cry every time it dips. Don't do that. Volatility happens whether you've bought Apple, Amazon or Mara, and you're in the most volatile sector. So volatility is going to happen. It's going to happen to the downside and also to the upside. So don't pretend to be a genius on the upside if you can't handle the downside. So that's what I say to you guys. But we're going to take it 10x. I'm going to take it 10x. And people 10x. People don't believe, all right? That's okay. You don't believe. I don't believe in you either. I mean, we're the same. You don't believe in me, I don't believe in you either. But I have the experience. I'm leading a couple of hundred traders into the battlefield. And listen, I usually don't put my name behind any stock, but that's what happens when you have experience.
You've come out, you don't speak about Mara anymore on your YouTube channel. I've just dragged him on because I'm getting a lot of heat on my YouTube channel for people like blah, 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 blah.
Okay, but listen, if you don't want to be known for something, if you don't want to succeed at anything, if you don't want to be mocked, you don't want to be made fun of, stay at home. Don't do anything, man. Stay at home.
On social media, you're gonna get mocked. That's the life of it. But when it flips, okay,
everybody's like, yeah,
you're the genius.
Congratulations.
You're the genius. And I'm gonna ignore all of you guys as well. No, I'm joking.
Nah, but listen, trading is a difficult thing to do, right? Investing is difficult. One day for you, one day against you, and you have to know this. Just because a stock is being called out, it doesn't mean it won't go down on value. The markets work up and down. One day for you, one day against you. Today it's rallying because there's something, and tomorrow it's dropping because there's something. But guess what? The market always goes up. We're betting on the future, and if you're betting on the future, you will see it through. You will see the future because the future is what comes next, and you will see whether you're right or wrong, and that's what makes millionaires.
Yeah, we're in the right industry. The industry that is always gonna go up in volatility. It's gonna go to the moon. You have these. We're a crypto head now.
Yeah, I mean, what is crypto? Crypto is just another asset, and if the U.S. government and all these European nations are getting behind it, Why can't you? It's no longer 2017 anymore. It's 2026, my friends. 2026. Believe in what you're buying, believe in what you're holding. But you ask me why I don't make videos about Mara anymore. It's because there is people out there who think if they buy a stock, it should go up, like they're entitled to money, to a reward. I don't care if you waited 2 years. The money, the reward, that's what happens when you invest in a stock. It comes when you're not paying attention. Like, they don't care if you're a shareholder today. The market doesn't care. Because it's not just a stock on its own. There's overall market that is lifting the stock and dropping it. And we see in 2025 and the start of 2026 wasn't an easy start. Not just for Mara, but every other stock. Or there's Ethereum, even AI stocks have struggled. So you'll see it through, guys.
I've got one more question for you. You don't have to answer
Go
it
on.
either. A lot of people are getting Mara, you know, the management team in Marathon Holdings.
Yeah.
They're giving them a lot of heat.
Yeah.
What's your opinion on that?
Let them give them give them a lot of heat, guys.
You think they're a good management company?
Okay, well, they found basically the CEO is one of the founders, the person who kind of turned it into a mining company, Bitcoin mining. Whether he's good or not, time will tell. But if he can close this Exxon deal from the French government, then I think he's a genius, because it's so difficult to get something out of Europe, extract something out of Europe. So if he can close this deal, then I would give him the respect, because you now have access to Europe, to European institutions, as well as Saudi Arabian, Middle Eastern, and American institutions where you can offer your service. So closing this AI gig in France isn't even about the company itself, but it's about the access that you're going to have as an American company in the US, and that will make you 1 out of 1 kind of trade. And we'll see whether I'm right. We'll see. I've been right. I mean, June, it was at $23. Right?
Yeah.
Not even October. October was at $23.
It's only these 3 months that
yeah, and that was a deleveraging event. That was a deleveraging event for crypto and these growth stocks.
Yeah.
So
it's not only Marathon Holdings. I don't know why everyone's talking about that.
But
Bitcoin went from 125
you want to
to
put
70.
you want to put your name behind Mara?
Yeah, of course.
All right, I'll put my name behind Mara, you know, and we'll see if we win. These guys will have to come and let's make a deal. If Mara makes you guys a lot of money, you're gonna buy his course. And you're gonna join his community. Deal?
Let's get it.
I want to hear it in the comment section.
Patience is key. Let's get our money.
All right, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Here it is. Here's Jeffrey.
Thank you for watching.
And look at this beautiful scene. We're gonna call it a day here. Peace.